Hi guys, thanks for coming to my crafty corner. I'm coming to make you a cute little Easter box for my daughter. I thought this would be so cute. So for her, I got a whole bunch of different candies. I thought this would just be cute to decorate. So I think the first thing, it's just a Dollar Tree little box. You can put washi tape and stuff like that. I'm putting a whole bunch of candy in there. So the first thing is first, let's go ahead and let's put some, sorry if you hear my family in the background, they're all playing a game, and you know, you can't play a game without fighting. So I put some sour airheads in there, and then I'm gonna put a couple of these peanut butter cups in there. I don't know if she likes these Sicklets, but I'm gonna put a whole bunch of Sicklets in there. Okay, and then I got these cute little, just regular bunnies. This is something really easy you can do for a coworker, your boss, just anybody. So I'm just gonna put 4 of those in there. They're just plain chocolates. And then at the bottom of this is these little Easter Tootsie Roll eggs. I have actually been eating quite a few of these. So I really don't know how many I actually have left of those. Okay, and then over here, I have some watermelon Tootsie Rolls. And I thought these were so cute. So I'm going to put a handful there of those. And then I just got some cookies and cream eggs. Yes, I know, I shouldn't use Mickey. She doesn't like jelly beans, so I would not put jelly beans in it. But you know what? She likes just, oh, I have this little popsicle thing too. So maybe I can move some of these chocolates around. So you can put this, you can put like a necklace in here, or some jewelry, you know, whatever you want. You can fill it up the way you want it. Money. But this is how I filled it up. I think that turned out really cute. Maybe we should put these carrots or by this popsicle guy instead. Maybe that would make it look better. No, I'm trying to make it look cute on the camera too, guys. Okay. So let's try it this way. Let's see, do we have, let's do some of these. And then maybe one of the eggs right there. See how that looks now. Okay, there. There's a kind of a good glare on it. Maybe not put the glare, but yeah, so there you go. I got the airheads, so you can put like a chopstick in there, slime, Gidgets and Gadgets. She would love Gidgets and Gadgets if I put that in there too. So yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this twine, and I'm gonna just kind of wrap it up in there. But first thing first, let's move all this candy out of my way. Let's see if we can find us a Happy Easter sticker. Found some bunnies. I'm not finding, and some eggs. Egg dyeing. Make a homemade Valentine's. Nope. Okay. I have a couple of books here of my Happy Planner sticker books. I'm filming. No, I'm filming. Sorry, Lizzie was trying to come in. Yeah, I am not finding no Happy Easter sticker at all. I might have already used it. Girls just want to have fun. Do. Got a bunny face. Okay. I'm not finding a Happy Easter one. So, Happy Mother's Day. Okay, so you can do it for her birthday or anything. I can't find a Happy Easter one either. So we'll just move on and we'll just decorate it with these cute little jewels that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I really wish I could have found a sticker that says Happy Easter. I would have loved to put it right there and then had these jewels going around it. Maybe we can put a bunny rabbit there. Maybe that's what we can do. So I just want to kind of give it a little bit of bling. Let's bling this puppy up. Oh yes. Bling, bling, bling. We like to bling it up. So I'm sorry, my family is being very loud tonight. They're all playing games out there with their dad. Oh, okay, here's a bunny. So let's put a bunny on this right here like this. Like that. And then I found an Easter egg hunt, or Easter egg. Let's put him over here. Let's see, what else can we find? Okay, we'll put another bunny face right there. Oh, here's another bunny face. Then we'll do another bunny face right here. Then maybe we should do some carrots. Should we do some carrots? I think my family's gonna want to have family time here in a minute, so I'm gonna wrap this up here in a minute. So I'm gonna do some carrots with this bunny rabbit running after his carrots there. Let's do this pretty flower on the side here. What do you think? Like right there? There we go. Got a pretty flower there. So you can decorate it on the side. So there's some blings. It's not very beautiful, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little show of stuff you can do for Easter. You could not just have to do an Easter basket. I know there's all kinds of different things out there going that you can do. People are showing people now, but I just wanted to, I seen this, somebody did this for Valentine's, and I was like, well, that would be cute for Easter too. Oh, you know what? Visit the Easter bunny. That would be cute. But you know what? We're going to put this we'll just put some more eggs out. Yeah. Okay. We'll put this big egg here. Little egg there. Medium egg right there. Okay. And then I'm going to just take some of this twine. Now, the lady I seen, she made like a little bag purse. She took her twine and just hot glued it to the side like this. and just had like a little bag, but I'm not going to. I am just going to take it. I think I'm just going to wrap it around it a couple of times. What do you think? I'm trying to figure out how to do this. So, yeah. Anyway, we're just going to stop right there. That's just how I'm going to do it. So then I'm going to cut it. And I'll make us a nice, loopy bow. A nice loopy bow. There we go. And now you have a nice little Easter thing, box, to give to anybody you want to give to. Or you can use it for Christmas, Valentine's, you know, any kind of holiday. I just thought that was cute. Like I said, I seen somebody do it for, I did not come up with the idea. I did see it. I think it was on TikTok or something like that. And I thought it was just so cute. And so I thought I would share it. So I hope you guys like it. And if you do, give me a thumbs up, share it, love it, like it. Like always, have a great day. Bye.